After watching this video you will be able to understand how to breed betta fish successfully. The Siamese fighting fish, also popular with the name betta fish, are great pets for those people who want to enjoy a day of entertainment. But aside from entertaining owners and guests, breeding this kind of fish is also rewarding. If you are planning to breed betta fish at home, this short video includes tips and tricks that may help you out. Before understanding how to breed betta fish, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Tip number 1. Choosing betta fish to breed. The first task you have to do before breeding betta fish is to learn a lot about the species. You can read books or browse the internet on how to take care of bettas as well as how to properly breeding process. A single spawn can lay about 600 eggs. It means that you may take care of 500 fish if most of the eggs survive. So beforehand, it would be best if you asked yourself the following. First, am I interested in breeding for a show? Second, I want to supply betta fish for a local pet shop. Third, I love bettas so much that I will take it to another level. Tip number 2. Set up the fish tanks for the betta fish. Get ready to bring your breeding pair of betta fish at home by setting up 2 permanent fish tanks. Make sure to cycle the clean water inside the tanks before bringing home the pair. Tip number 3. Purchase a breeding pair. When everything is set, buy a breeding pair in a reliable pet shop. Unlike selecting a betta fish to be a pet, choosing the right pair to breed is different. You need to purchase young bettas to ensure a higher success rate. Tip number 4. Buy more than one pair. Buying 2 pairs is also recommended for breeders just in case one pair don't succeed. Tip number 5. Conditioning their environment for breeding. Before breeding betta fish, it is better to place them inside their designated fish tanks first. Doing so will allow the pair to adapt to their new environment and become more comfortable for breeding. Tip number 6. Begin feeding them live food. Once you are ready to breed the pair, consider giving them live bloodworms or brine shrimp. How to breed betta fish. Conclusion. To summarize, those who are planning to breed betta fish must employ proper procedures. Choosing the best fish food to nourish the pair along with their offspring is also critical to ensure breeding success. For a truly amazing guide on breeding betta fish, head on over to yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more latest videos.